Update. Court is getting set for the continuation of Nnamdi Kanu's trial at the Abuja Federal High Court today. Kanu has arrived. Stay tuned. Nnamdi Kanu's court update, 14/05/2025. The court commences with the prosecution counsel, Awomolo, introducing his team of lawyers. The defense team, led by Kanu Agabi, introduces his team of lawyers. Kanu Agabi: we are ready for cross-examination. Witness BBB has been called into the dock. Stay tuned for more update. Nnamdi Kanu's court update, 14/05/2025. The prosecution requested permission to ask one more question to the witness, which was granted. Witness BBB stated and tendered a medical report indicating the cause of death of Hamed Golak. Stay tuned. Nnamdi Kanu's court update, 14/05/2025. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings. Witness BBB. Agabi: you obtained a video statement from the defendant. Witness: yes, my lord. Agabi: in that statement, only the defendant and his lawyers were visible. Witness BBB: yes. Agabi: the video was not complete. Are we able to see those who conducted the interview? Were you wearing mask? Witness: I cannot remember, my lord. Agabi: for how long was the defendant in detention before you made the video? Witness: I don't know. I'm not aware of his long detention, my lord. Defendant has been kept alone in cell, all by himself. Stay tuned. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings. Witness BBB. Agabi: but you must understand that solitary confinement is punishment. If that's what you mean, it's a punishment. Did you keep him in solidarity confinement because he is a danger to himself or the society? Witness: I'm not aware it was in solitary confinement. Agabi: you subjected Nnamdi Kanu to solitary confinement. Witness: I am not aware of how long the defendant has been in detention. Agabi: do you know the minimum days to keep someone in solitary confinement? Witness: from United Nations law, you can't keep someone for more than 15 days. Stay tuned. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings. Witness BBB. Agabi: the long detention of this gentleman has caused him unhappiness. Witness: I am not aware. Agabi: are you aware this gentleman has been in detention for 4 years after the interview? The defendant has become very unhappy and frustrated. Witness: I am not aware. Agabi: this prolonged detention is not through a court order. Witness: I don't know, my lord. Agabi, defendant was arrested in 2015. Witness, I am not aware, my lord. I was not part of the investigation, my lord. Stay tuned. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings, witness BBB. Agabi, do you know some of the charges were dropped? Witness, I do not know. I don't know about the previous charge, my lord. Agabi, following the amendment, several charges have been dropped. Witness, I do not know, my lord. Agabi, all the charges, only 3 was attributed to the defendant. Witness, I don't know. Agabi, do you know that the charges were amended 6 days after his arrest and kidnapping? Witness, I'm not aware, my lord. Stay tuned. Mazi Nnamdikanu's Court Update, 14/05/2025. Transcription of Cross-Examination Proceedings. Witness BBB. Agabi. In fact, at the time, the charges have been pending in court for 6 years. Witness. I am not aware, my lord. Agabi. It's from this letter you become aware of this case? Witness. I'm not aware, my lord. Agabi, before you received the directives from your office, were you aware of this matter? Witness, I don't know, my lord. Agabi, in the letter, the AGF complained about the complaint he had received. What was the response of your office? Witness, I don't know, my lord. Agabi, the only investigation you conducted was the video interview. Witness, it was not so, my lord. Agabi, I put it to you, you did not conduct any other interview. Witness, I did, but the docs are in my office. Everyone in court just laughed out. Stay tuned. Mazi Nnamdikanu's Court Update, 14/05/2025. Transcription of Cross-Examination Proceedings. Witness BBB. Agabi, after you received the AGF's directives, the charges were again amended. Witness, I am just an investigator. I am not aware of the content of the charges, my lord. Agabi, in that directive, the AGF already had given you his conclusion. Did you issue a report after that investigation? Witness, yes, I did. Agabi, I put it to you that charges remain the same after the directive of the AGF. Witness, I do not know how, my lord. Agabi, now I put it to you that you were influenced by AGF letter. Witness, no, my lord. Agabi, Southwest governors came together and agreed to form a vigilante group. Witness, I am aware the governors did so. Agabi, did you get a letter from AGF to complain about the killings of innocent people? Witness, I am aware the Southwest governors formed Amotekun. Stay tuned. Barrister Aloy Ejimako is currently narrating to the court how himself, Kanu, Agabi San, and et al. Were denied meeting with their client Nnamdi Kanu few days ago by the DSS. Stay tuned. Mazi Nnamdikanu's court update, 14/05/2025. After taking note of the brief narration by Barrister Aloy Ejimako in court, the case was adjourned to next week Wednesday, 21st and Thursday, 22nd of May, 2025.